Yes, yesterday, Panjim police station resident, Panjim police station registered a case of assault, and we have got certain leads, and we are hopeful that we will detect it. So the investigation is going on the right track.
Can you give us the details with the person?
The person is one Mr. Surya Kamli. Surya Kamli, resident of Talegaon. So he was assaulted yesterday at around 10 p.m. in the night by two assailants wearing mask. But investigation is in progress, and we are hopeful that we will detect that case.
So what is the reason behind
Motive may be behind.
The motive is some rivalry, and the investigation after arresting the accused, the real motive will be
Is
known.
there any cases registered against the victim?
Yes, there are. There are some cases registered against him, so there must be some this rivalry, and we are hopeful that after arresting those accused involved, we will be able to ascertain the exact cause of this assault.
The information that gun is being used in this assault case.
No.
Any sharp case?
Yes, sharp weapon is there. So one we have recovered from the spot also.
And FIR has been registered.
Yes, FIR we have registered. Yes.